here at our restaurant, The Taste of Africa.
We have so many delicious food, as you can see, the jollof rice.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So we have to bring Africa.
Yes.
Back to Samoa.
Exactly.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Island family.
Welcome back to the channel.
Oh my gosh. What a night.
Yeah, crazy night. First time doing something like this, eh?
Sleep out on the beach.
Yeah.
Watch the duppies them.
Hi, Bobo. Morning.
Hi.
Yeah, man. So how was the experience last night sleeping with?
Good. Nice. Still hot.
Yeah.
Wasn't much of a breeze.
Mommy, let's go eat, Mom.
But it was good.
Mommy,
For you?
let's go eat.
It was good. Yeah. A little bit of rain this morning, but it never really get the sea breeze like that. Yeah, babes on island been crying about mosquito, even though we have to hold on, let's go to focus here.
The mosquitoes. Oh my god, my face is burnt. The mosquitoes are just really crazy right now, guys. Like, babe's not feeling one thing, lucky thing.
I'm not feeling no mosquito. It's surprising, like.
Me and Island are suffering.
Even when we're in Australia and babes like, oh, the mosquitoes, and I'm like, I'm not feeling anything. It's like, but when I'm in Jamaica, mosquito attack me non-stop. But
Island, give me.
But I'm not feeling them though. But we are gonna get up and get ready. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. Maybe breakfast, maybe go swim.
Mom.
Yeah, alright, Island, you're gonna go swim anyway.
Yeah, go swim and all that. And for all who might ask, so mosquito repellent, yes, we do have that. It's right here. So all of that is here, and plus the mosquito net. But yeah, man,
They've been driving me mad, man. Mad.
Right.
And then also being pregnant and having to pee.
Yeah.
I was a bit scared to walk out there at night on my own, so I had to wake up babe and say, babe, can you please help me?
Yeah.
So that's one thing.
Yeah.
But other than that, look, it's an experience.
Yeah,
it was
it's
fun.
Good. It's good.
Maybe just don't do it when you're pregnant.
Yeah. It's fun.
Other than that, yeah, it was cool.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
we'll get the morning started, and you guys will see what's up. But it's not a sunrise this morning, it's a cloudy morning, so no sunrise. The weather is a bit overcast.
Mom,
Okay, yes, Island.
please come swim.
We have a little garbage bin on this side. No, it's just unique. The garbage bin, wicked. We have all the windows on the side, you know, all meshed up. And these look, I like some little cabins you can stay in as well. Back of it. It's like solar powered.
Dad, look at me.
Yeah, man, it's nice. Ready, baby, for swimming?
Yeah.
We're gonna have a morning swim. Hi, Bobby. Ooh. Is it cold? Morning swim. Oh, it's a bit. It's a bit. Maybe when you get in. It's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Oh, my muscles are paining my foot muscles.
Mom! It is so cold.
Yeah.
Mom! Come back here, Mom! Come here!
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna throw it on you then. Boy, I throw water for me, man. Alright, time to dip. Oh, it's not bad. It's good.
Nice, yeah. It's good, guys. Yeah, thank God for this beautiful, beautiful morning. Lovely. It's absolutely beautiful. So, guys, I don't know if I mentioned yesterday, but we have a very budget. We're in a very budgetable place. So, you know, where we're staying is, you know, it cost me 80 Australian dollars. 76 Australian dollars, something like that. Anyway, I just want to big up to my friend Becca for shouting out this place on her channel. So thank you so much for giving us the idea to come here. And also, I also wanted to point out that it's such a beautiful place. These guys seem like they've just started out or they've been here for some time, so it's good to support local businesses, and I'm a big supporter of that, because if you look to my right hand side here, there is a resort. I can't remember what it's called. Babe, do you remember what they said, that resort's name?
No, I don't remember.
You don't remember?
No.
I think that's Sinalay Resort, and then if you look to my left, there is Coconuts Resort. Now these guys, this actually costs 1,000 tala a night, and the other one costs about 1,000 tala a night as well. That's pretty expensive if you ask me. Don't mind me, my face is burnt. Yes, oh, I love it. Oh my God, what the hell was that? Shit, what the hell was that? What was that? Seaweed. It's okay. It's only seaweed. Oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, so, you know, $1,000 is about 500, 400, maybe $50 Australian dollars for one night. That's crazy money. Like, you know, where you can be, you know, literally just supporting the locals and just getting exactly the same treatment as you would be getting at a resort. Maybe minus the luxury of the breakfast, lunch and dinner thing that they always offer, or maybe not even that, who knows. But anyways, yeah, so we're swimming in a very lovely place this morning. At the moment the sun hasn't peaked out yet, so the water's looking quite dark, but it's still very lovely and warm, which is great. I'm gonna miss this when I go back to Australia. Definitely. Hey babes, we're gonna miss this. We're gonna miss this when we go back home.
For real, good time. It's gonna start to get cold in Australia.
Yeah, for real. It'll start to get cold, so enjoy this while we can now. Yeah. Island, how you liking everything? All right? He loves the water, guys. He fights with us every day because he wants to be in the water. Babe, what was that? Like a seashell?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm gonna drown! Here you go, Dad.
It's a beautiful experience. Samoa. Not too many tourists like Fiji. Fiji was full of tourists.
Yeah. Met a few
here.
Australians yesterday from Torres Strait.
Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting.
They live in the Torres Strait. So Torres Strait is right at the top of Australia,
Yeah.
and it is
Oh no! There's another one!
it's like a remote island. About 90% of the population are the indigenous Aborigines. So for those people that want to visit the culture of the Aborigines, the indigenous,
A good
yeah,
place
it's
to
a
go.
good place to go.
So, this to the one here.
Bubble! Oh my gosh!
Oh, look!
Nice tropical water, man.
Coffee time soon.
Yeah.
I haven't had a coffee in a very long time, guys, and for some reason, today is coffee day. Whoa, come on. Gushy, gushy, gushy. Wave to you. Here comes a big wave. Jump, 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 jump.
I did!
Watch him. Jump, 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 jump.
I like to hurt. God.
We've been swimming and there's so many fish we've been seeing. I want to show you all. We even saw a turtle. Oh, they're all here in the shallow, babe. And I'm gonna try go to the deeper part. Hopefully you guys can see. So many fish. When you move the sand, they come. Once the sand is like stored up, they all come and like maybe searching. I'm gonna stir up the sand a bit with my feet. And show you all. Morning breakfast.
Morning breakfast.
Yeah.
I can't open this. Mom, no, my hands are wet. It's dripping. My knee and my leg are so sore. Island.
So there's a falls down here. Babe says she's not coming, so I'm gonna check it out. Don't know if there's anyone here. Some of these places you have to pay. So I can hear the river though. Don't know how far I have to walk. Wow, it's like 2 waterfalls. There's one right here and there's another one up there. Woo. Right here look like you can slide out here, I'm assuming. Wow. This is big. So this is the top waterfall. There you go. Big. I wouldn't jump down there though. I want it nice.
Oh wow, why is the water so pretty here?
We're here exploring new places, same way figuring out what this is all about. Supposed to be some kind of cave.
Yeah. But I don't see a cave. You see a cave?
We're gonna have to ask a local. Oh, this look like. Oh, this side look different.
They're pretty.
Yeah. Even though the water is a bit dirty, but it looks like pure white sand out there.
I don't really want to drive on their lawns.
True. There's another road that goes there too.
Yeah,
I wonder what
but I
that
don't
is.
know. We'll find out. Talofa. There's seem like toilets and stuff, showers to bathe. I'll ask them. Talofa. Hello. Where's the cave pool? Or the cave pool? Oh, that's the cave pool. Ah, okay. Yeah. All right. And not charge anything? Yeah. Oh.
Let's go over there.
Oh, the minute. Okay. Yeah. Fafatay lava. Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, I don't see it.
Yeah, I don't get it.
I don't get it either.
Because that just look like an open beach out there. Where's the? Maybe it's inside of this building because he pointed there.
I know. I'm like, what?
I don't know.
The sea looks very rough though to swim to.
Yeah, it's not the best.
It's not the best for swimming today.
Yeah.
It's a bit rough and it like hurts my belly a little bit, guys. Like when the waves kind of crash onto the belly, it's kind of really sore.
Yeah, the first day when we arrived was the best day of the weather.
So what did they say?
I really don't get it.
I
He
don't
points
get it.
over here, but I still don't
Well,
get it.
you know what? Let's go for a drive around here. Let's go and see. Oh, this is
The
someone
road.
else's house.
Oh shit, the road in there.
That's alright. We can go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too rough to swim.
Yeah.
Like if you guys look, it's quite rough today.
Yeah. We just explore, guys, and so we can find waterfalls, all of that. There's a lady there.
We just go.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's alright. this is pumpkin and lamb. Lamb and taro.
Good. Real Islander food.
Yeah.
Nice. Vibes the bus, you know? Vibes the Samoa bus.
Hey guys, so I'm going to get a gift, 2 gifts for some family members. So yeah, join me and let's go. Back, you can turn the car off or whatever you need to do. So guys, I'm looking for the traditional like lava lovers that they usually wear. So yeah, that'll be good. Let's have a look down here. I'm not too sure, but I'm looking. Hi, how are you going? No, not today. Thank you. Hi. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah guys, so I'm just looking for this right now. Like a brown color. Hi. So let's go this way. Let's see. There's just so many patterns and things you can look at, but I'm just having a look because I know exactly what the persons want, but me, it's hard to find them. I might have to go chase the boys on the street with the lava lovers, honestly. It's hard. Alright, it's not an easy one. Alright then. Alright, hi. Hello. No, I've got one like that already. Nice to have a look. Hi. And see. Hi.
Are you looking for a dress?
No, lava actually.
Oh, you want me to show my
If you want to show, yeah, all right. Yeah, you're on camera.
Is your camera
Lovely, very nice. I like. I love it. Yeah, well, you too. Take care. All right, follow us on the YouTube channel, The Island Family.
Oh, thank you.
The Island Family. You won't forget.
I'll first.
You're going to be on there. All right, cool. Cheers.
This one is 25.
Yeah.
The other side
Yeah.
is 15.
15. How much? 15. Yeah, this is good. Do you have a brown color in this, or this is all you got?
That is all I got.
You got? Okay. All right. This one doesn't say Samoa on it, eh?
Yeah, this one only flowers.
Just the flowers.
Yeah,
Okay.
and designs.
And designs. All right. What other color? This one says Samoa, eh? All right, I'll take this one. Oh, actually, no, my bad. Sorry, not that one. Sorry. This one says Samoa too? Yep. And this one?
It has all salmon.
Yep. Okay. Because I'm getting it for somebody else, but not for me. Okay. But I wanted a brown one like that says Samoa on it. That's the thing, you don't have it. Okay, I'll go walk around one more time. I'll buy this one from you now, and I'll walk around and see if there's. I like this color, but I don't know if the person I'm buying for would like this color. So they want something more like this, but with Samoa on it. Yeah. Okay, so 15 tala for that. All right. Oh, you're in the bag. All right. Oh, look at this guy's food. Nice. Oi, sorry.
Did you find it? Oh,
Yeah, I got one, but I need to get another one, a brown color with the Samoa on it. Yeah. How's your day? All right?
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
You don't have to trust me.
Oh, really? You'll be all right. These girls, they'll. Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
You will. I'll come back anyway.
Okay.
All right? Yeah.
We got some earrings.
You got earrings too? All right. I'll surely come back. All right? Okay. No worries.
I was watching your YouTube channel.
The Island Family.
The Island.
Yeah. Okay. Cheers.
Nice day.
Thank you. You too. Pampasay lava. All right. So that's one done. Hey. That's one done. Hello. Looking for lava lovers. Yeah. Man, it's hard to find one good one for. They're selling some foods and stuff as well, guys. All right. They have some here, but hi, how you going? Good. Yeah, I'm looking for a lava like a brown color for a girl.
Like brown one?
Yeah, like a brownish color. That says Samoa, maybe. Hopefully, you have something. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful Samoa.
Brown.
Oh wow.
Beautiful salmon.
Oh, that's nice. How much is that?
18.
18 tala.
Yeah.
Sicky. Yep. All right, I'm gonna take it. Yep. So guys, this is the Samoan money,
Yeah.
and it's 20 tala. Oh, a nice breeze down here. Very nice.
Hot too.
It is, yeah. I love the weather though. It's good.
Do you need other?
Nah, it's not gonna do anything. No, it's all right.
Thank you so much.
Papatai
Have a
lava.
great day.
Yeah, you too. Take care. Bye. All right, guys. So I'm done now with those two, and hopefully my two people are gonna love this because I got it from the love of my heart. So yeah. All right, let's go now, guys. Come on. So So it was quite good that Hi. No, I just bought some. Yeah, I fafatate. Maybe a guy out tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Alright guys, let's go.
Here at our next destination where we'll be staying. Local community. It's the star of a tree.
Mango tree that?
Yeah, mango.
Oh, lovely.
Try this African restaurant.
We're at an African shop here in Samoa. We are going to get some African food. So I'm guessing we've got egusi there. Nigerian food. Jollof rice. By the looks of it. And what is this rice? And what is this? Is this like stew?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
That's
that
the
looks
Nigerian
so good.
stew.
The Nigerian stew. Okay. Alright guys, so we're going to order some stuff. Alright, so we want fufu.
Yeah.
2 of those.
Yes.
A plate of stew. What else are we gonna get? Some egusi. Is this egusi? No, not egusi. Okra stew. Yeah, okra stew. I keep saying egusi because egusi is the green leaf. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. I'll get one of that. Is that
Okay, 1 plate of okra, 1 plate of stew, and 2 of fufu.
Yep.
That's all.
That's all. And maybe 2 fries.
2 fries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go.
Hi guys, so we're here at our restaurant, The Taste of Africa. We welcome you guys to try our African cuisine, some of our favorite African cuisine. So you're welcome. Like if you want to try something different in the island, come on over to Tonga for Fua. You'll find us opposite Adriana's next to Spice Restaurant and Anna's boutique.
Yeah.
So you'll find us there and see you guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Do you have a number or anything they can contact if they get lost along the way? Do you have a business number yet or anything?
Yeah,
Like a business number? Yeah.
So you can reach us on 7300245 if you want to make an order or if you come to Samoa and lost your way. So just call us on that number.
Awesome. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah,
So don't
you're
forget
welcome.
the Taste of Africa.
Yeah, the Taste of Africa. We have so many delicious
Yes.
food. As you can see, the jollof rice.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. See, there is spicy
Lovely.
chicken.
Beautiful.
That is granite soup.
Oh, yum.
So
My
this is
gosh.
garlic egg, Africa garlic egg.
Lovely.
So there are so many.
So many African
many
dishes.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Not spicy. Spicy, not spicy. Super yum.
Love it. I love
so
it.
it's a good taste.
Yeah, man.
So we have to bring Africa
Yes.
back
Yeah.
to Samoa.
Exactly.
That
Come
is
on,
it.
guys. Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Thanks so much. So this is it, guys. Across the road from Adriana's boutique, Toga Gas, and Anna's thing. Beautiful.
Yeah, my beautiful people. So that's the Taste of Africa in Samoa. Yeah, man. Two humble couple, you know, Nigerian and Samoan, and they lived in Singapore. No,
Yeah.
is it Singapore? No, I mean Japan. Yeah, or what of them? I don't remember, but yeah. Big up yourself, my bro, and your wife as well. Yeah, the food is very cheap. For what, 45 tala?
Yeah.
For all of what we just got, you know what I mean? And yeah, very reasonable. And 2 days actually when they open, the first day. Oh, coincidental is that? The first day we find it, you know. So
I've been craving African food for God Lord knows how long, and he's laughing. The lady and the wife and him were laughing because I'm like, oh my gosh, this is amazing to me. It's like, if I can't get Samoan food, I have to get African food. Sorry about it.
It will do, for sure. We love it.
Yeah, we love it. We really love African food, guys. And you know, one day when I go to Africa, they're gonna teach me everything.
Yeah, can't wait to touch your motherland.
Definitely.
That's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, I'm really happy, guys, and big up to Charles and his wife Lissy.
Yeah, big up Charles.
Yeah.
And
So,
Lucy.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Let's go and try the food.
Yeah, we are going, man, you know. Shape powder. That's some water. Salmon vibe. Hey. Easy. Big up.
Don't forget. See, we're kind of like right in front, huh?
Yeah. So we're here tonight. Watch a fire show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siba Afi or something like that they call it.
That
My first time,
it's gonna be happening over there.